Your purchasing team is spending hours every week doing something Odoo can do in the background automatically. I'm talking about the entire cycle, from detecting low stock to creating a purchase order to selecting the right vendor, all without anyone lifting a finger. And here's the thing, this isn't some expensive add-on. It's built right into Odoo 18, and most people just don't know how to set it up properly.
This video, I will show you how to manually check the product stock in Odoo before creating any sales order so that we can avoid any overselling and delivery delays. For that, go to the inventory module, go to the products. Here you can see all the products are mentioned over here. Then go to the reporting, go to the stock. Here you can see product, its unit cost, its total value, its on hand quantity, which is the current stock, then free to use quantity, incoming shows the purchase or production in progress, outgoing shows the result for sales, its unit, and all the data is mentioned over here. So you can filter out the data also. So just go to the filtering option, go to the group by. You can group by the product type, product category, product template, and you can also apply the custom filters. So basically, by manually checking the inventory before accepting any order, we can reduce back orders, improve customer satisfaction, and ensure smooth operation.
First, let's make sure your Odoo is configured correctly. There are two settings we need to enable. Setting 1, Purchase Module. Go to Apps. Make sure the Purchase Module is installed. If you see Install instead of Installed, click it. Setting 2, Inventory Reordering Rules. Go to Inventory, Configuration, Settings. Under Warehouse, enable Reordering Rules.
In this video, I will show you how to navigate to reordering rules in Odoo for better stock planning. First, open the inventory module, then go to the products, click on the products to see the full item list. Select any product, okay, then click on the reordering rules. Here you can see the from here you can view or create any reordering rule for that particular product. For the creating new rule, click on new. Here you can see the location for that particular product, its current on hand quantity, its forecasted quantity. We can set the route for that particular product, MTO, manufacturing, buy. There are multiple options to set the route. We can trigger it manually or auto. We can set the minimum quantity, we can set the maximum quantity according to our convenience. So these rules helps to Odoo automatically replenish stock when it goes to below the minimum level, and reducing shortage and manual work. So this is all about the reordering rule. In this video, I will show you how to set a minimum quantity, maximum quantity, vendor, and a lead time in a Odoo to ensure proper stock replenishment. First, open the product from inventory, products. Let's open any product. Here you can see reordering rules are set for this particular product. Click on that reordering rule. So reordering rules section to define the minimum levels, which is the lowest stock if we want to maintain, and the maximum level, which is a target quantity after replenishment. Here you can see the minimum quantity is defined and maximum quantity is already defined. Then go to the main product. In product, go to the purchase tab, select a preferred vendor. Here already selected a preferred vendor, its quantity, its unit price, its currency, and its lead time. So lead time defines the how many days the supplier takes to deliver that particular product. By configuring these all values correctly, Odoo can automatically generate purchase order at the right time, helping prevent stock storage and ensuring smooth supply planning. In this video, I will demonstrate how running the scheduler in Odoo automatically creates a purchase order. To create to create the purchase order automatically, first I will create a manufacturing order. I will just click on the manufacturing module, go to the operations, manufacturing order. I will create a one sample manufacturing order. Click on new I will just enter a finished good over here. So I will just take a mango gummies as a finished good product and I will just confirm it. Here you can see the raw material required for the mango gummies is sugar, gelatin, mango flavor and color. So we have to procure this raw material first. So to procure this raw material and to create an automatic RFQ, go to the overview. Here you can see mango gummies is a main product which is a finished good, sugar, gelatin, mango flavor and color. So here you can see the replenish option is there. So I will just click on the replenish. So once confirm, so it will automatically create a RFQ. Same for another raw material. I will just do same process for all of the raw material. Then I will just go to the purchase module, purchase. Here you can see the RFQ is created for the ABC vendor. Here you can see PO 0094. So I will just open it. Here you can see the RFQ is created automatically. There is another option also to check the automatic RFQ. Go to the inventory, overview, operations, and there is a replenishment option. From here also you can just select the product and click on the order. It will automatically create RFQ for that particular order. So based on the configuration and routes and vendor, Odoo automatically generates draft purchase order or a manufacturing order. This process helps to ensure the timely procurement, reduces manual efforts and prevents the storage shortage.
That's the complete purchase automation setup in Odoo 18. If you implement this today, your purchasing team saves 3 to 6 hours per week.